Mr. Albert Einstein. Can we have a nice big round of applause for Mr. Einstein? A nice big round of applause for Mr. Einstein. Mr. Einstein, talk everybody. Very good. Okay. You can move over now, sir. And I'd like to introduce to you your very first scientist. Your first scientist is Wang Woo-Sook. Wang Woo-Sook, please come in. Oh, very good. Can you take a seat, please? Excellent. I'd like to introduce your second scientist, Sir Francis Galton. Come on, big round of applause. Go have a seat, please. Thank you. Your third scientist, Mr. Robert Paul Lanza. And your fourth scientist, Mr. Ian Wilmot. And your next scientist, the Margaret Nicholson. Excellent. And last but not least, one of our very favorite local scientists, Ms. Barbara McClintock. Let's have a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Great. So, Mr. Einstein is going to act as your moderator, and I now turn that process over to him. May I have a question from the very first questioner, concerned citizen? That would be Miss Flappy Jane.
Dr. Woodstock, my name is Flappy Jane and I'm a vet. I would like to know a little bit about your field of research.
I study cloning and stem cells. Cloning is making an organism with the exact genetics of another. I'm also trying to cure diseases through embryonic stem cell research. ESCs are made in embryonic development and can be taken from an embryo and grown.
Does that answer your question? Okay. Secondly, I would like to field the question from Ms. Victoria Benson. Ms. Sampson, can you please stand and state your name before you ask the question?
Hi, I'm Victoria Sampson. Can you explain your work to me? I would like to be involved in your
Well, Victoria, I work in eugenics, aka design of babies, and that is the study of hereditary improvement of the human race by controlled selective breeding.
Thank you. I now have a question from Ms. Milky Kauster. Ms. Kauster. Mr. Kauster. Please stand and state your name.
Hi, my name is Milky, and I would like to know what kind of things you grow.
Well, I've grown cows, embryos, mice, that kind of stuff.
Which one of those was the hardest?
Human embryo.
All right. Excellent. Now, I would like to field a question from Ms. Ilana Bevlin. Ilana, you have a question.
Hi, Dr. Ian Wilmot. Do you ever, my name is Elena Becky. Do you ever create a clone and perspect yourself?
The human genome is so complicated that I would never think to clone a lovely lady such as yourself. Also, it can produce genetic diseases. Okay.
Well, that's very interesting. Ms. Pamela Johnson, do you have a question for one of our scientists? Please state your name and address your scientist.
Hi, I'm Pamela. Dr. Nicholson, why did you choose to study the genetic outcome of Down syndrome?
I want to find out about how to replace the bad gene with a new one. To find out about the 21st chromosome and how it was related.
Interesting, the 21st chromosome. How many chromosomes are there?
Try
Does anyone in the audience know how many chromosomes there are?
I know it. You win that class.
There's 42.
Yeah, of course I know that. Yes. I know.
Sorry, young lady. A few more.
Oh, wait, 45.
46.
45.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Just to clarify.